The content on this show is based on the hostess' opinions on how I see the world. Viewer discretion is advised.
Another hunter missing. What crimes has he committed against nature? The tornadoes are forming. The search will continue in the morning. The hurricane just left the coast of Africa without waving goodbye. Today, all the slave ports have very beautiful skies. The name of this hurricane is new. This one will make a sharp turn because that city is overdue. After the devastation, a lot of moms are mourning. Now the earth is shaking while the portals are opening. Is God coming through? We'll know in the morning.